Sanbonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys, I was thinking about uLwandle Msile with the last episode of Izingane Zesithembu. They were celebrating Lwandle Msile's birthday. And tell me, why was Lwandle saying that the birthday celebration is boring because there's no girls, there's no woman, and he basically wanted strippers there. Hmm? I was just like, Lwandle, hey, Lwandle. You know what, you guys? I always felt like in the past seasons that Lwandle was different from his brother Umpumelelo, was different from his father. But the more time goes on, you guys, I'm starting to see that Lwandle doesn't seem to be for, you know what they say? They say that the fruit is not far from Martin, guys. What is that saying? Hey, guys. But anyway, I just don't see Lwandle like as seasons go by and as news come out, I just don't see Lwandle being different from his father and his brother as I thought him to be. I know some people would think that I'm reaching because I guess for many people, like it's a normal thing for boys or for men or for guys to like girls. Apparently, it's a normal thing. Angazi, but you guys, you'd know that there has been news that has been circulating around uLwandle, that uLwandle Mitshisile, that Lwandle has a woman, his girlfriend, that he impregnated. And while the girlfriend has been pregnant, or while the girlfriend was pregnant, I don't know if she's still pregnant, you guys. While the girlfriend was pregnant, he decided to date another girl who he was very much in love with, and apparently he was not even like nagaring, he was not into baby mama anymore because he has a new girlfriend. And then it made me think, last season, was it on Uthando Nesithembu? I think it was on Uthando Nesithembu, either on Izingane Zesithembu. Musa Msile was having a conversation with uLwandle. And the vibes that it gave, the conversation that Musa was having with uLwandle, the vibes that it gave was that uLwandle is the type of guy that goes around just like sleeping with women or with girls, but doesn't really have intentions of actually settling down with them. And guys, correct me if I'm wrong, but Msile was kind of like rebuking him of that, of like, you can't just go around like sleeping around and don't. Eventually, you're gonna have to like settle down on maybe choose a girlfriend or something like that. But it just gave off the vibes that one is just like full of games, like he just plays with girls, or he just is enjoying himself but has no intentions of like actually settling down with these women. And I'm like, what happened to the sweet Lwandle that, well, he still is sweet, but I'm just like, what happened to that Lwandle then I knew, or maybe he was still young and now he's like growing to be like of age. You guys, I always thought that Lwandle is like different from his father. Like even when his father would tell him about polygamy, he would be like, his father must not pressurize polygamy like onto him and etc. And I'm like, yes, Lwandle, like stand up for what you believe in, like follow your own path. But it looks like his own path might possibly be, hey, I don't even know whether I want to say this, but it looks like his own path might possibly be worse than Umpumelelo's path. And the reason why I'm saying might be worse, because maybe at least with Umpumelelo, he has intentions of taking some of these women as like his wives, like Utirelo and Vuyokazi. He has intentions of taking them as his wife, but uLwandle, like, does he have intentions of taking like any of these women as his wife? And granted, you guys, like, it doesn't mean just because you're dating someone, then you should be taking them as your wife. But you can't just go around like, angaz. Because it seems like I'm processing my thoughts. Because again, it seems like this day and age that we're living in, like, it's okay for people to like just date, get out of one another what they want out of one another and move on. You know, like in this day and age, we are taught to slow down in the decision making of marriage, But in the Nsilegu household, not really, especially once you've been pregnant with a girl, you need to marry her. So angazi because I don't know what's going on with Ulwandle. I really thought that Rwanda was kind of different. But then again, that's the thing about reality TV. You get to see a snippet of a person's life, and then all of a sudden you think you know them. Kanti I don't even know Ulwandle. But hey, he must not turn out like no. I really had good hopes for him that he must just be like this sweet guy that just finds one woman, becomes faithful, but it doesn't look like it, you guys. It doesn't look like it. I don't think this season is gonna play out Ulwandle and the scandal of the girlfriend being pregnant maybe next season, angazi, but we'll see over time. But I really do hope that Randle he just doesn't become that guy that just goes around like sleeping with women and then there's news about him. Just don't be that guy, my guy. If you're gonna take the route of like being sexually active, and deny your kids or like leave women while they're pregnant like that, there's different ways to make sure that you don't end up, or there's different ways to prevent the situation where you don't end up with a little human in someone else's body. Anyway, guys, tell me what you think. Have you also observed that ulwandle ingati, or is it just me? Am I reaching? Anyway, please don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you on the next one.